The Tesla Cybertruck isn't just another truck, it's a statement. This machine is in a league of its own, a radical departure from the traditional pickup truck design. It's a head-turner, that's for sure. When I first saw it, I thought it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Cybertruck's design has been polarizing, to say the least. Some people love its futuristic cyberpunk aesthetic, while others find it jarring and unconventional. But one thing is certain, the Cybertruck is a bold move by Tesla, and it's sure to shake up the automotive industry. The Cybertruck's exterior is defined by its sharp, angular lines which give it a futuristic and aggressive look. These lines are not just for show, they serve a purpose. The angular design helps in reducing drag, making the vehicle more aerodynamic. This is a truck that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, yet it's very much a reality. The almost impenetrable exoskeleton is a marvel of engineering. It's designed to withstand impacts that would leave other vehicles in pieces. This exoskeleton is not just a shell, it's a statement that says this vehicle is ready for anything. Made from ultra-hard, cold-rolled stainless steel, the same material used in SpaceX's Starship rocket, the Cybertruck boasts incredible strength and durability. This material choice is no accident. It ensures that the Cybertruck can handle extreme conditions, whether it's the heat of the desert or the cold of the Arctic. The stainless steel also gives it a unique industrial look that sets it apart from any other vehicle on the road. This thing is built to last. It's not just a vehicle, it's a fortress on wheels. The Cybertruck can endure rough terrains, impact tests, and extreme weather conditions without breaking a sweat. It's designed to be as tough as the people who drive it. The stainless steel finish is not just for looks, it provides the vehicle with impressive dent and scratch resistance. This means that your Cybertruck will look as good as new, even after years of use. It's a vehicle that ages gracefully, maintaining its sleek appearance over time. Its design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. The interior is a blend of form and function, offering a minimalist yet highly practical design. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, providing all the information you need at a glance. Utility features are seamlessly integrated, making it a versatile vehicle for both work and play. The Cybertruck's low center of gravity, thanks to the floor-mounted battery pack, gives it impressive handling for a vehicle of its size. Whether you're navigating curvy mountain roads or maneuvering through city streets, the Cybertruck handles it all with ease. Its stability and control are unmatched, making it a joy to drive in any setting. And with adjustable air suspension, the Cybertruck can tackle a variety of terrains, from smooth highways to rugged off-road trails. This feature allows you to adjust the ride height, giving you the flexibility to handle any driving condition. Whether you're on a long road trip or exploring off the beaten path, the Cybertruck adapts to your needs, providing a comfortable and capable ride. The Cybertruck comes in 3 different motor configurations: single motor rear-wheel drive, dual motor all-wheel drive, and tri-motor all-wheel drive. Each option offers varying levels of performance to cater to a wide range of needs. The base single motor model can still tow an impressive 7,500 pounds and go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 6.5 seconds. The top-of-the-line tri-motor variant boasts a mind-blowing 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.9 seconds, putting it in supercar territory. And with a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, the Cybertruck can handle even the toughest jobs. Like all Tesla vehicles, the Cybertruck is an all-electric beast, running solely on battery power. The different motor configurations offer different ranges, with the single motor model providing a respectable 250 miles on a single charge. The top-tier tri-motor variant boasts a whopping 500+ miles of range, making range anxiety a thing of the past. And when it comes to charging, the Cybertruck takes advantage of Tesla's extensive supercharger network, allowing for quick and convenient charging on the go. With its fast charging capabilities, you can add up to 175 miles of range in just 30 minutes, making long journeys a breeze. Step inside the Cybertruck and you'll be greeted by a minimalist and futuristic interior. The first thing you'll notice is the absence of clutter. The design philosophy here is all about simplicity and functionality. Every element has been carefully thought out to provide a seamless and intuitive user experience. Gone are the buttons and knobs of traditional trucks. Instead, a single 17-inch touchscreen takes center stage, controlling everything from climate control to navigation. This touchscreen is not just a display, it's the command center of the vehicle. It integrates all essential functions, making it easy to access and control various features with just a few taps. The steering wheel, if you can call it that, is rectangular, resembling something out of a spaceship. This unique design is not just for aesthetics, it provides a better grip and more control, enhancing the driving experience. The steering wheel also features touch-sensitive controls, allowing you to manage various functions without taking your hands off the wheel. The Cybertruck seats up to 6 passengers comfortably, thanks to its spacious and well-thought-out interior. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort, whether you're on a short trip or a long journey. The use of high-quality materials ensures that the cabin feels premium and luxurious. With ample headroom and legroom in both the front and rear, passengers can stretch out and relax. The design ensures that everyone has enough space to be comfortable, regardless of where they are seated. This makes the Cybertruck an excellent choice for families and groups who need a vehicle that can accommodate everyone without compromising on comfort. The rear seats fold flat, creating a versatile cargo space for hauling larger items. Whether you're moving furniture, carrying sports equipment, or going on a camping trip, the Cybertruck's adaptable interior can handle it all. This flexibility makes it a practical choice for those who need a vehicle that can do more than just transport people. With its sleek design and innovative features, the Cybertruck's interior feels like a glimpse into the future of automotive design. Every detail, from the minimalist dashboard to the advanced touchscreen, has been crafted to create a harmonious and futuristic environment. This is not just a truck. It's a statement of what the future of transportation could look like. Tesla has always prioritized safety, and the Cybertruck is no exception. Its ultra-hard exoskeleton acts like a protective shell, providing exceptional crash protection for all occupants. The Cybertruck is also equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including Tesla's Autopilot system. Autopilot provides semi-autonomous driving capabilities, assisting with steering, acceleration, and braking in certain situations. The Cybertruck also boasts a comprehensive camera system, providing a 360-degree view around the vehicle, eliminating blind spots and enhancing safety. The Cybertruck isn't just a pretty face, it's a capable workhorse designed for both work and play. With its impressive towing capacity and payload, the Cybertruck can handle demanding tasks. Its adjustable air suspension allows you to raise or lower the bed for easier loading and unloading. The bed itself features a durable liner, integrated lighting, and multiple tie-down points to secure your cargo. And for added versatility, the Cybertruck offers a range of accessories, including a toolbox, a camping tent, and even a built-in air compressor. The Cybertruck represents a significant step forward in the automotive industry. Its combination of striking design, impressive performance, long range, and advanced technology showcases the possibilities of electric vehicles. The Cybertruck isn't just trying to be a better truck. It's aiming to redefine what a truck can be. It challenges the status quo and pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of pickup trucks. It's a glimpse into a future where electric vehicles are not just a niche market, but the norm. Only time will tell if the Cybertruck will revolutionize the truck market, bringing a new era of electric vehicles that challenge the status quo. The Cybertruck's unique design and futuristic features have already captured the public's imagination, but will that be enough to make it a mainstream success? Or will it remain a niche product for early adopters and tech enthusiasts who are drawn to its bold aesthetics and cutting-edge technology? The automotive industry is no stranger to innovation, but the Cybertruck's radical departure from traditional truck designs sets it apart in a league of its own. Its success will depend on a variety of factors, including its price, production capacity, and the ability to scale manufacturing to meet demand. Tesla's track record with previous models like the Model S and Model 3 shows that they can overcome production challenges, but the Cybertruck presents a new set of hurdles. Public acceptance of its unconventional design will also play a crucial role. While some people are excited about its futuristic look, Others are skeptical or even put off by its stark, angular appearance. The Cybertruck's polarizing design could either be its greatest strength or its biggest weakness. But one thing is certain, the Cybertruck has sparked a conversation about the future of transportation. It has made people rethink what a truck can be and what it can do. The discussions range from its potential impact on the environment to its role in the broader shift towards electric vehicles. It has challenged our perceptions of what a truck can be, pushing the boundaries of automotive design and technology. The Cybertruck's capabilities, from its impressive towing capacity to its off-road performance, are designed to compete with traditional trucks while offering the benefits of an electric vehicle. Engineers and designers have worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life, incorporating advanced materials and innovative features that set the Cybertruck apart. The use of ultra-hard, 30x cold-rolled stainless steel and armored glass are just a few examples of how Tesla is pushing the envelope. Whether you love it or hate it, the Cybertruck is a vehicle that leaves a lasting impression and ignites the imagination. Its unveiling was met with a mix of awe and skepticism, but it undeniably captured the world's attention. It'll be interesting to see how the market responds to this bold new offering from Tesla. Will it pave the way for a new generation of electric trucks, or will it remain a unique experiment in automotive history? Only time will tell.